So these are all brand new shoes from showrooms and whatever you can say, because mostly we purchase it from from showrooms. But then this is what we get it, like if you wear this and go and walk, it just opens up. So today is a day of shoe repairing, and again you can't go to the cobbler because the cobbler over here charges 350 rupees for one pair. Okay, and what basically they do is they are using this Fevicol. They apply it like a butter and then they just stick this and they charge us 350 rupees. So why not? I thought about it. I saw once I had gone to a cobbler and I saw him what he's doing it, and I got an idea that why don't we repair all shoes at home. So today is our day. So it looks like this without sole, because if you can see the glue, it's all dried up. So, and they are brand new. You can see on the sole also, all the soles over here which are opened up. So even if you buy a new one, what guarantee that it is not going to open up? Because it depends on the glue what they have put and whether it has been dried up. So this is the best way. So if you have any shoes to repair, please buy that Fevicol SR998 and just apply it and fix your shoes at home. Thank you.